Hey there, website warriors. Ever wondered why some websites pop up on Google and others vanish into the void? Today, we're diving into why SEO is not just important, but essential for your website's success. Buckle up. First things first, what exactly is SEO? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It's the art and science of getting your website noticed by search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo. Think of it like this. Search engines are librarians of the internet. SEO helps them understand what your website is about so they can show it to the right people at the right time. Now, why is SEO essential for your website? Let's break it down. 1. Visibility and traffic. About 93% of online experiences begin with a search engine. If you're not showing up, you're invisible. SEO gets your site seen. 2. Credibility and trust. People trust Google. If your website ranks high, people assume it's reliable. It's like a virtual thumbs up. 3. Better user experience. SEO isn't just about keywords. It also means making your site faster, mobile friendly, and easy to navigate. That's a win-win. 4. Long-term ROI. Unlike paid ads, good SEO keeps bringing in traffic for months or years after the work is done. It's like planting a tree that keeps giving fruit. Let's say you run a bakery in Chicago. If someone Googles best chocolate cake near me, wouldn't you want your website right at the top? With local SEO, you can. That one click could be the difference between a new customer and a missed opportunity. Okay, you're convinced. So how do you start? Do keyword research, optimize your content, speed up your website, build quality backlinks, track performance, or hire an SEO expert to do the heavy lifting for you while you focus on running your business. Whether you're a small business or a content creator, SEO is your website's best friend. Want to grow online? Then SEO isn't optional, it's essential. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more digital tips, and drop a comment if you have SEO questions. Let's get your site to the top.